Everyone, my name is Korak Roy and this one is for all the fellow binge watchers out there. I love watching my favorite movies and shows on my mobile phone, and that's why I was looking for a good quality stand for my phone. My search ended with this mobile phone stand from STRIFF. Let me tell you more about it. This phone stand is designed to be foldable and extremely easy to slip into your pocket as well, making it suitable to be used in the office and home. Through the stand, you can directly adjust to your chosen angle from 10 different viewing angle options, ranging from 0 degree to 100 degrees. Furthermore, this stand can also be used to record videos. For your phone's safety, it is equipped with a superior ABS and rubber pads on the bottom, which protect the stand from sliding. This stand is available in multiple color variants such as white and black. So if you too are a binge watcher on your mobile phone just like me, get hold of this phone stand from STRIFF.